to another video. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in this video I'll be talking about the basic essential things which one needs to carry on a trek. So this video is an informative one for all the trekkers and the non-trekkers. So let's start with the video. So the first and the foremost important thing for trekking is the trekking bag. There are various types of trekking bags available in the market as well as online. So which brand I use, this is Quechua. It has two zips. So this is there for one day treks. If you want for one day trek, this is the best bag, 20 liters, and it has two zips. This is a smaller one and this is a bigger one. So this is highly recommendable for one day treks. The second one which I would suggest is the bigger one, which is 40 liters. The brand is the same, Quechua, and it has chest straps as well as waist straps. I have a photo over here. I'll be showing a photo, so you can just check it out. So this bag would cost you around 2,500 and you would easily get it in Decathlon. The brand Quechua is easily available there, and if you don't want to spend that much of money, so this is the bag. So what I didn't like about this bag is it does not come with a chest strap or a waist strap. So it would be very difficult for you to trek in this type of bags. The second most important thing here is clothing. So try avoiding shorts and 3/4 while you are on a trek because of the insects. Try to wear full sleeve t-shirts and track pants so that your body is not exposed to the sun. And if you are not having any full sleeve t-shirt, what you can do is you can buy these inners for around 200 to 300 rupees. You will easily get it on a sports shop. You can buy these and then you can wear a normal t-shirt and then you can go for a trek. Third most important thing are your trekking shoes. I have seen people trekking in sports shoes, in sandal, in slippers, and trust me, they have had a very bad time during the trek. So I would recommend you should definitely buy trekking shoes. Now there are two brands, one is Action trekking shoes and the other one is Coaster trekking shoes. I will show you the Action trekking shoes. As you can see, the grip is firm and it will hold to the rock. This will cost you around 1200 rupees. Next thing which you need to carry is a cap or maybe a bandana to save yourself from the heat. Carry enough water to hydrate yourself, and you can carry 2 bottles of 1 liter each. Filling energy in your body, you would require dry snacks, fruits, protein bar. So you can carry fruits like banana, orange, or maybe apples. For dry snacks, you can carry theplas, idlis, and protein bars as well. You also need to carry a medical kit with you, which may contain bandages, a small bottle of Savlon or Dettol, and normal basic medicines like crocin, cyclopam for stomachache, Lomotil for vomiting, and you should also carry a pain relief spray for your muscle pain. The next thing which you need to carry is an insect repellent cream and your sunscreen to save you from the heat. So if you are going on a night trek, then torch is a must, and if not this one, you can go for a head torch. Here you will find a photo so that you can walk freely and your hands remain free. If you are trekking in monsoon, then the things which I mentioned earlier in the video are mandatory. Along with that, you need a poncho or a wing sheeter, which you will easily get it in Decathlon for around 499 rupees. A rain bag cover and some extra socks so that you can replace him if the old socks gets wet. If you are camping in winters or if you are trekking in the winters, you will definitely require a sweater and a blanket, because the temperatures might drip down to around 15 degrees Celsius in the Nasik or the Lonavala region. so you would require a blanket and a sweater. I hope you found this video informative. Do share it with your friends and family. Like the video and do comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Be safe, be happy.